Hey, welcome back to Always Learning. What are we doing today? Well, today we're replacing our tag. We just got it in the mail. I'm going to show you how to put this little registration sticker on and what to do with this. You're going to basically put these two when you're done in your glove box because that's your registration. This is going to go here. It's just got, as you can see here, this is your registration. You're going to take this sticker off. The sticker is going to go right here. 4 little screws that come out either with a Phillips or a flat blade screwdriver. You basically put that in there. Like I said, the sticker, take this off right here, and we're going to put it on right there. This little guy comes off right here. Like I said, it's going to go right here over the monthly decal, and you just smooth that out and then put it on.
There's usually 4, but sometimes there's just 2 really big ones at the top, and sometimes they're a bolt and you need a driver, but usually it's a flat blade or a Phillips screwdriver, and you just unscrew them, twist to the left, righty to tighty, lefty to loosey, and you just take those out. You're going to take the dealer's plate off or one plate off, and then you're simply going to use those same bolts or screws and put the new plate on. And you can put the registration on after you get it on the car. Once you get a new one for next year, you're just simply gonna, you don't need to take your other one off. You just simply kind of need to clean it, make sure there's no dirt on it, and then put the other one right on it and put your new registration in the glove box. I usually also take a picture of it and have it in my Apple Wallet, or put it in Evernote or iNotes or OneNote so that you have it if you need to pull it up for either tax purposes, or if it just, your car gets stolen, you need to know what the VIN number is and what the tag number was, you have it. Or you're sitting at the game and they say, hey, there's a car with their lights on, or car's just been hit, here's the license plate number, and you're like, I don't remember my license plate number. You can just pull up the registration on your phone and look at it. So pretty handy just to have it somewhere digitally as well. You can also email it to your spouse, your kids, or your friends so they have it as well. That's it. Thanks for watching.